Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing y'all how I made the delicious air-fried cauliflower and kale gnocchi with this homemade tomato sauce. Original inspiration for the sauce was a TikTok that I found. It was like how they make like this super famous vodka tomato sauce that all these A-list celebs go and get pasta from at this New York restaurant. Well, I'm gonna show you how I turned this into a healthier sauce, but you wouldn't even know because it's so good. You couldn't even tell there wasn't real cheese in it. So let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Ayy. Here are the ingredients. I got that spicy chicken sausage, the kale, and cauliflower gnocchi at Trader Joe's. I also got this love of my life from Trader Joe's. You'll also need oregano, red pepper flakes, black pepper, salt, a tomato paste, nutritional yeast. You don't need to use an onion if you don't want to. Olive oil, your choice of milk, and garlic. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. First things first, you'll want to air fry your gnocchi. I normally do it at 350. Let's do 8 minutes. Next, go ahead and mince and chop up your onions. You cut the bulb this way, these little garlic will pop right out. I don't peel them anymore because of that. All right, it should look something like this. Next, go ahead, turn your stove on medium high, and you'll want to drizzle some olive oil. Okay, go ahead and grab all your spices because you'll need to toast them. Okay, so you'll add your pepper, chili flake, oregano. Go ahead and cook until translucent. Oh yeah, make sure to add salt. Now go ahead and add your tomato paste. Okay, and you'll want to cook your tomato paste. So what that'll look like, you see how it's kind of like a brighter red? It'll turn darker shortly. You see how dark it got? That is what your tomato paste will look like once it's cooked through. So at this point, go ahead and add a cup, maybe a cup and a half of milk of your choice. Okay, and go ahead and stir that until everything's blended. Go ahead and let your sauce simmer. This is where I will add in my nutritional yeast. You're more than welcome to add in your cheese of choice. The nutritional yeast will give it that cheesy flavor without loading that bad boy up with cream and things that won't come out very well. Go ahead and taste your sauce really quickly just to make sure you don't need any more salt. Okay, y'all, so I ended up adding some more salt, a little bit of pepper, oregano, and more nutritional yeast. Go ahead, set these aside, and then we're going to air fry the chicken sausage next, and I'll show you how to get that super crispy. So what I did was I went ahead and sliced up the chicken sausages. This is an extra step, so you don't have to do this, but I peeled off the casing and I'm going to air fry it without that, and it is going to be so crispy. Because I have not air fried this sausage with the casing on before, I'm not sure if it'll get equally as crispy. I'm sure it will, but then again, I don't know. So this is just how I'm doing it. You'll want to pop these in. 350, 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now, I want it probably a little bit crispier, so I'm going to pop it back in, this time at 400 for 2 minutes, but you guys don't have to. All right, y'all, so this is after 2 minutes at 400 degrees. This is what I was looking for. All right, so what we will want to do now is to toss everything together. So I'm going to bring my sauce up to a low, and then I'm going to pour my gnocchi into the pot along with the chicken sausage. And just mix it up until everything is covered. Okay, once everything's mixed together, you can go ahead and turn your pan off and it's ready to serve. Okay friends, and there you have it. Super easy and pretty healthy kale and cauliflower gnocchi with a homemade tomato sauce. Now, you're more than welcome to modify this in any way you want. I just wanted to show y'all how to make this slightly healthier, or at least dairy-free. Now, to all my cheese lovers or people who can handle dairy, please eat enough dairy for the both of us because your girl just cannot anymore. Okay, see y'all next time.